Here we go.
We believe that the first principles and ornaments of the gospel are first, faith in the Lord Jesus Christ, second, repentance, third, testimony worship for the remission of sins. Faith and a fast for the gift of the Holy Ghost. I want to do it again.
No. Alright, Daddy, read.
No, I want to do it again.
Nope.
For the wee pad.
Maybe later.
Oh.
A noble society. He hath brought to pass the redemption of the world, whereby he that is found guiltless before him at the judgment day hath it given unto him to dwell in the presence of God in his kingdom, in a state of happiness which hath no end. Therefore lay hold upon the gospel of Christ. Mormon chapter 7, verses 7 through 8. What a marvelous thing it is to belong to a society whose purposes are noble, whose accomplishments are tremendous, whose work is uplifting, even heroic. Be loyal to the church under all circumstances. This is your church. You have embraced its gospel. You have taken upon yourselves the covenant in the waters of baptism. Be proud of your membership in this great cause and kingdom which he has restored to earth in this, the last dispensation of the fullness of times. Why? To bring you happiness.
Hey everyone. So, I actually just took a little nap. Chris put on Big Hero 6 for the boys, and Shane and I fell asleep. So they were actually really good. I just gave them all a little snack of some frosted animal crackers.
I had one.
I don't think I've ever had these before.
I had these
They're
before.
so good. And Shane's enjoying them. He had one in his hand and then he was clutching the bag for dear life. Yeah, they're pretty good. Ira's about to get dressed. So yeah, just, you know, Shane's and everyone's first frosted animal crackers. They're good.
But not mine.
Oh, now he's done. He always just pulls things out and never puts things in. And he totally started filling that up. Good job. Good job, you're learning. You're getting older. Can't wait till we have a dog. Unless we have two. Alright. Change the plane. Boss, change the plane. We already found an awesome toy. Boss is at the doctor's office right now. She's finding out she's having a boy or a girl. Can you believe that? Now it has
Hey you guys, so I decided that since I didn't feel good, I was gonna do my makeup. I think it looks kind of decent. I was doing really well, and then I was like, I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna put on my eyeliner with my airbrush. Yeah, that's where things went awry. And I kind of closed my eye a little. You might be able to see that. I was able to kind of get some of it off, but you can see some overspray in places. And it was totally, it was totally under my eyes. I had to take off all the makeup under my eyes and respray. And so the color under my eyes does not match the rest of my face. And I'm gonna go out in public like this, people. I'm gonna go out in public like this. I'm gonna go get Colt from school here pretty soon. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I did my makeup today to try to feel better. And I do feel a little bit better now. But I messed up. And it's funny. You wanna see Shane? Hey, Shane. Hey, Mr. Smileys. Hey, Mr. Smiley. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my shoes on so I can get going here pretty soon. But yeah, like I said, I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I did do my makeup, and I was even, like, it's even like a little winged eyeliner on both sides. See that little winged? That's what I was kind of going for, and maybe what I need to do is use my stencil for my airbrush and just use my regular eyeliner and draw it in on the stencil. And then I won't get like all this overspray everywhere. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do next time. Cause I wanted to try doing this like winged. It's like this in thing, and I like have no idea how to do it. And so I wanted to try. Shane's eating my foot. He's eating my foot. Ira's playing on the computer. No, don't turn around. It's okay. Do you want to go with me to pick up Cole, or do you want to stay here and play on the computer?
I'm going to stay here and play on computer.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's just what we've been doing. It's what we've been doing, huh? Huh? Hi. See you? Hey, say see ya. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. So we're here, we're getting our car washed. We've actually been waiting for almost an hour. So here's the boys. Say hi. So here's the car wash. Let's open the sunroof. Travis.
I get out of my seat.
No, you can't. No, don't turn on the light. Look out the window. Look out the window.
And then of course you have your little spotted friend. Yes, I must say, such perfectly beautiful coat. Won't you have some tea, Cruella? Yeah, I've got to run, darling. Now let me know when the puppies arrive. You will, won't you, dear? Yes, Cruella. Now don't forget it to promise. See you in 3 weeks. Cheerio. Cheerio, darling.
Look out the window.
Hey guys. McDonald's. Okay. We really love going up the slide right there. I really love going up there, but I can't. Let's go up with mixing there. We are very impressed with I really
Shane, come here. Come on.
I'm here.
Oh, you're getting distracted. Shane, where are you going? Shane.
Huh?
Give me a face.
Give you a face?
Yeah.
Why?
Just give me a face.
Faith in the Lord Jesus Christ. Second, repentance. Third, baptism by immersion for the remission of sins. Fourth, laying on of hands for the gift of the Holy Ghost. I know what, I don't remember.
Well,
I recognize that TT. That TT.
We're gonna do one more song. I know that my Savior loves me. Just to make sure you guys are remembering it.
One time ago in a beautiful place, children were gathered round Jesus. He was and told as they felt his love. He saw the tears on his face, the love that he felt for his little ones. I know
smell Shane's butt. Stink. Chris is actually putting the boys to bed. I changed Shane's diaper because it was stinky, and I went to the bathroom and I sprayed out his diaper because we clothed diaper and he was poopy. And I come out and I hear Shane, but where was he? Let me show you. Let me show you where he is. Hey there, dude. Yeah, he pulled himself to standing on the table and he's walking around under the table right now. Hey, Shane. You being silly. Are you being silly? So Chris and I were actually planning on renting a movie off of iTunes tonight, and watching it and chilling together, so hopefully Shane will go to sleep for us so that we can just hang out together and stuff, because I need to hit the ground running tomorrow with homework. It's been a nice little break after that communications class. I took some time. I've been doing little things here and there, but I really need to start getting back into it again. And that's the best thing about this online schooling, and I work at my own pace kind of a thing. I have 6 months to finish 4 classes. So I'm doing really well. I'm doing really, really well. And just, like I said, need to hit the ground running tomorrow. So I'm actually going to call it a night, because we're going to, like I said, watch a movie. It's going to be kind of late when it's over. We're going to rent the new the new Hobbit movie. We haven't seen it yet. It came out after Shane was born, and we've gone on two dates in the last like 10 months because of Shane. Yeah, because of Shane. He still doesn't like eating tons of solid foods, and so he's still mostly breastfed, and he refuses bottles and stuff, so it's hard to go on dates. And so this is our date. So like I said, hopefully I can get Shane to sleep, even if it's just in my arms, and we watch a movie and have fun, and we're gonna call it a night. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.